After a continuous ride for a week, I decided to get laid back in Munnar, just doing nothing but to relax and explore. When humans and nature goes hand in hand, we get to see some spectacular wonders. This is one of the sights from Munnar. Like any other hill stations, Munnar is also famous for tea, spices, and chocolates, and it's also one of the major markets for woolen wear. This was my second time in Munnar. First time I was here a decade ago, and this was not the same Munnar like it used to be 10 years ago. I couldn't withstand this bustling roar of autos and traffic and decided to revisit a place which I've been on my first trip, which is a short hike from where the entire town can be witnessed, cutting all the sound and air pollution. I started traveling since 2015, but Munnar was the first place I visited back in 2012 with my friends. It was more like a raw and unplanned trip, but yet one of the best and special one to remember. Recollecting all those memories, I headed back from this town.